Engineering Wearable Alerts.
Lesson 4 Preparation. Model Head. To prepare the back of the model head, use a pen to poke 2 holes into the bottom of a paper bowl about 1 inch apart. Then thread a pipe cleaner through the 2 holes, so the ends are on the interior of the bowl. Next, cut a 1 inch wide section from the side of the bowl below the holes. Now, extend one end of the pop tube approximately 5 inches and insert it into the cutout section of the bowl. Twist the ends of the pipe cleaner together to hold the pop tube in place. On the bottom of the second bowl, use a marker to draw a simple face, then put the rims of the bowls together to form the head. Secure the bowls together using 2 binder clips in place of ears. To create the shoulders and handle, start by taping 2 craft sticks together so they overlap by 1 inch, forming a longer stick that's approximately 11 inches long. Then tape the center of this longer stick perpendicular to the top of the third craft stick, forming a T. Next, line up the top of the T with the bottom of the extended ridges of the pop tube so that the model head has a 1.5 to 2 inch neck. Tape the vertical craft stick to the front of the pop tube, creating a handle. Now, cut along the dashed lines of contact points cut out and fold along the solid line. Slide contact points cut out onto the model head so the craft stick shoulders are under the fold. Finally, use tape to secure the cut edges of paper together on the left shoulder.